everyone, today we will be discussing about an excellent homeopathic remedy for dry coryza. If you are suffering from dry coryza and your nose get completely stopped and you are finding breathing very difficult or suffering from dyspnea, then this excellent remedy is for you. It works excellent on infants, but if you are an elder, you may use it. If you are suffering from cough, the dry deep cough with a pain in chest, then it this remedy also works in this case also. The name of remedy is Sambucus nigra. It is an excellent homeopathic remedy for dry cough. I hope this helps. Thank you.